I am probably going to name this video something like Counting the Days Down to Spring. Or I might even name this video The Flu, COVID, Bronchitis. Or I might even name the video The Bitter Cold, the Snow, the Winter that just does not know how to give up. I am here at beautiful Versailles, Indiana. And it is bitter cold, y'all. Give me a minute. We're going to run that B-roll. Because I figured, why not? Yeah, I'm not going to be using my big camera today. It's all GoPro. Because the wind is nasty. But I figured, why not have a B-roll and an A-roll together, obviously, about one of my favorite places where I'm at now. We're going to get some beauty. We're going to talk a little bit about what's going on. And we're just going to run with it. All right, here's that B-roll. Versailles State Park is Indiana's second largest state park. They are known for excellent mountain bike trails and hiking trails and horseback riding trails. Versailles State Park has 230-acre lake, a swimming pool, and over 200 Class A campsites. It's also a great place to go and relax, have fun with your loved ones, and fishing. The last day I was up here was completely opposite, although there was ice on the water. But boy, the temperatures are completely different. My gosh, doesn't that look beautiful out there, y'all? Holy, I may not be using the G70, but I'm going to tell you what. My GoPros could capture the beauty just almost as good as the G70. They sure can. They just don't zoom in. Alright, let me tell you what's going on. Now, the last video I done, basically, and Kitt quit pulling me, was when we went to Madison and got the viaduct underneath the railroad track. When we got home that night, Angie and I started coughing. We did a test the next day. We had the flu, okay? And then she actually got worse. I was bad for a couple days. She got worse. She did another test, found out she also had COVID. Then she got a whole bunch worse from there. Had to go to the doctors. Come to find out she has bronchitis on top. So, yeah, I wasn't able to get a video. Wasn't able to get any filming at all because I wasn't able to do adventures this past Sunday and Monday is the day I do my ventures on most of them. So I figured, go ahead and let us get better. She's recuperating. She's a lot better. Me, I still got that hack a little bit. So I figured I'd come out here on a cold day, bring my puppy dog with me, and why not come to Versailles and try to get some beauty. Okay, we're going to leave here, go to another spot in Versailles and try to get some more beauty and do some more talking. That's right. And I noticed, look at all them picnic tables right here. That makes no sense to me unless they got new ones because honestly, they didn't have many picnic tables by the lake. And that's where them are going. Maybe they got new ones this year. That's great. All right, I'm going to jump in my car. Come on, Bubby. And we're going to head to another spot here in the park. I want to jump in my car because I'm cold right now, guys. Yeah, I also had to switch gloves to get my bulky ones on. My mustache is frozen. Had to get my bulky ones on, and it's hard to push the buttons on my GoPro when my bulky gloves are on. But we're going to go to another spot in the park and try to warm up and get some beauty. Oh, my word, it's cold. It's cold, it's cold. We'll talk about that, too. All right, guys, see you in a little bit. One of the reasons I bring us to Versailles State Park today is because out of all the places I go, out of all the parks, this is the one I feel more comfortable in. This is the one that more likely feels like my backyard. I can remember back last summer, Angie and I and Kitt having pizza right yonder there at one of them picnic tables. Yep. Counting the days down to spring. Okay, we're going to slowly walk through this. It's got snow and ice. We're going to go back here to one of the fishing holes we had a blast at back a couple years ago. Ain't that right, Kitt? Oh yeah, you gotta have a poo, don't you? That's what he's gonna do right now, besides probably water this tree. The temperatures are not that bad as long as that wind doesn't blow. When that wind blows, it takes the temperatures down to 8 above 0. Right now, the temperatures are 18. I could do that. When that wind blows, it gets cold, guys. And so far, knock on some temporary wood here, my GoPro batteries are handling the cold so far. Okay, we're gonna get a B-roll shot here. Then we're gonna do some talks and we're gonna show some beauty. Oh my word. Oh my word. My word, look at the beauty, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's move up a little bit. Oh my word. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, be right down yonder here. There's a little walking path that goes down underneath there, and that's where we was catching fish at all day long. There's a trail right here. We must have taken that trail, Angie and I have, at least 100 times. All right, let's head back to the car. At least one thing's in my favor. These thicker gloves are keeping my hands more warmer. Yeah, my other gloves were thin, and come on, Bubby. They didn't do so well for keeping your hands warm, just saying. I might have got burned out on this park last summer, but I rekindled that burnout. I'm not burned out anymore. As long as I come up here and visit the place at least once, maybe twice a month, the burnout won't happen. The thing is, I caught myself coming up here pretty much almost every day. Every day, guys, and even through the winter months. That's why this place is like my backyard. I almost know every inch of this park. And you know, I believe I might be the only one in this park because I'm the only idiot here today. And this, oh, careful, Mike. And this cold out here at the park today. So I believe I am the only one here in Versailles State Park. The only one. I like that. It's a flowing today, isn't it? I don't think I'm gonna be walking back in on the rocks, because they ain't too good on Kitt's paws, but my word, look how beautiful this is. Beautiful ice sculptures right there. That tells me this water has been up the last couple days and went back down. Oh my word, we gotta get these ice sculptures right here. Oh my word, look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'll try to get in as much as I can. Wow. Holy. Oh my gosh. I tell you, I'm counting the days down to spring, right? But I tell you, Mother Nature in the wintertime sure makes some beauty, don't she? Wow, look at that. Oh, and there's that wind. It is freezing me. And I don't know if you can see the water over yonder, but it is flowing. It's flowing about as much as that dam is right now. All right, we're gonna get some B-rolls. Then we're gonna go to the beginning of the park. Yeah, that's where we headed. We're gonna get a covered bridge, guys. That's right. Okay, I'll probably do some talking on the way out of here. And, oh my word, it's beautiful. Oh, there's that wind. Oh my word, it's cold. Yeah, I gotta make sure I don't fall, Kitt and I, because we fall, we're gonna be here for a while. Nobody else is here. There's a DNR here, I seen him, but he done did his pass. Oh geez, sorry guys, my ears are cold. He done did his pass on by, so we fall and break a leg, we kind of screwed. All right, Kitt, let's see if you go over here and have a number 2 for me. Oh my word, it's cold. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Last time we was up here, right over yonder there, we kind of rebuilt a snowman. All right, Kitt, what are we gonna do, son? Huh? We're gonna go number 2? You cold, or you just want to go to the other spot? Okay, we can leave here if you want. Yeah, we can leave here and go to the beginning. Let's go back to the car and get warm, guys. You know how I like my covered bridges, right? Well, I'm gonna get one in just a few minutes. But I'm here at the entrance to the park, and Oh man, it feels weird because of the summertime. It's pretty packed where I'm at with campers and fishermen and everybody waiting to get through. I'm gonna go ahead and get a shot of this. I was gonna put this on the B-roll, but I changed my mind. You guys are ever in Versailles, Indiana, want to come to Versailles State Park, this might be helpful. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna head right over here. We're gonna go through the covered bridge. Now you know how cold it is today, right? Kitt, quit pulling me, Bubby. It's cold, right? Do you know the next day I'll be filming, which will be a Sunday and a Monday, one of them days is gonna be 43 and the next day is gonna be 50 some degrees. Downside of that is there's gonna be a lot of wind. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use my G70 or not. We're gonna try anyway. I love using my G70. I feel weird not using it now. Just saying. All right, we're almost up here to the covered bridge. Here's the covered bridge, guys. I'll give you the name in just a minute. Yeah, you think I would remember the name? I kind of do, but I don't want to goof it up. All right, let's head on up this way. Let's go inside. Maybe it'd be no wind inside there. That'd be great. Bushes Covered Bridge. If I said that wrong, my apologies. Overlooked my ignorance. All right, so we're not gonna go all the way through. We're gonna go to the window and get a spectacular shot. All right, Kitt, you ready? Forward. All right. Oh, you know what? That wind is blowing. Oh, son of a gun. Oh, I hope no cars come through. Kitt, are you scared, honey? You're fine. Here we go, guys. Ain't that a beautiful shot? Oh, my word. I'm gonna get a B-roll shot of this, but ain't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. And right there's the other side. So beautiful. Oh, I wish I had my G70. I could zoom in on that heron taking off down yonder. Okay, we're gonna get some B-rolls and then we'll do some talks and on the way back to the car. Oh, this is so beautiful, isn't it? Today's video may not be up to my 100% snuff. It wasn't planned or anything like that. This morning while I was making me tea, I was like, asked Angie how she's feeling. I was like, can you be okay without me for a while? Kitt and I get out of your hair and we'll go get some type of footage. We're gonna head to Versailles State Park. So that's what we did. I'm hoping spring's coming soon. I am. Even though the winter brings beauty, and it does, I still freeze my butt off. I'm tired of that. Oh my word, am I ever tired. I mean, if it just stay temperatures, you know, right around freezing, one thing. But when that wind blows 8 degrees, my word. Waking up in the mornings at 10 degrees, 8 degrees in, wind chill well below 0. I tell you, I don't know. All right, guys, leave your comments down below. Hit that white like button. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention, oh, my word, I'm getting ready to close this out. We had some flooding, too. Yeah, let me show you some of them pictures. You know, second thought, that might be a whole other video, maybe. We keep that. It's just minor flooding. We get this every year at this time. So that might be a different video. Right now, I think I need to get him to the warm car, get him back home where he gets some food in his belly. And I gotta get some food in my belly. Oh, I'm standing right in the middle of the road. Oh, here comes the car. Okay, we'll get one more B-roll shot. And guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, leave your comments down below. And if you like this kind of content, share it with your friends and family. I'd be deeply appreciated. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.